Hello and welcome, guys. Hope you are doing great. So, I am again here with a new video around Moodle, and today we will see a demo of content freezing. Okay, so let's get it started with this. So, once you will have the admin rights, you will find the experimental setting under development. If you come to development, you can see here experimental settings, and here you will find content freezing applied to administrator. Yes, if you enable this one, or you can also disable this one. So by default it remains yes, but in case you want to enable or disable, you can switch from here. Now we have to make sure this content freezing works. The setting enable read only access. This is nothing, it's allow only the read only access to the selected, either that is category, course, activity or blocks. Now I have enabled this one, and currently I am also enabling for the administrator also. So both is enabled in my case, content freezing and also applicable for admin. Now click on save changes. If you come here under the courses, since I can apply this one on category, so let's start with category itself. So under courses, go to manage categories, and here under categories, all this category will have that option, freeze this content. Freeze this content. If I want to freeze, currently you can see here under category 2 there is one course. I can go inside, I can edit, I can delete whatever, all the features are given here, I can perform on that. But the moment you apply here the content freezing, category 2 is currently unfrozen. Freezing it will make it read only and prevent user from making changes. Are you sure want to wish to continue? Yes, click on continue. So if I just freeze this content, then I will not have the option here. You see, you can see the view is will be here, but edit will not be here. Create new subcategory option will not be here. Okay, so the most of the item you can see will be gone from here. Okay, and also if you come inside this course, will not have much feature to perform. You can only see the view mode, you can see the participant, you don't even enroll users, you just see, because nothing you can perform that gets changes anything. It can make content your content. You can also see here, I don't see any enable content option here on top. Okay, so let me try enabling again. So to enable again, you will have to back to this particular category, then you will have to click on unfreeze this content, click on continue, and if I click here, then this edit mode enable option is coming. Why? Because I have unfreeze that content now. Okay, so now you see this, and you can perform this on category level. Now coming to this course level. Okay, so if I come here under more, you will see the freeze this content option. So I can freeze from here. If I click on continue, participant, everything now will be appearing as a read only mode. I don't have the feature from where I can update the content, or I can add or delete something inside this course. But in case you want to disable the freezing content for administrator, you can also make this change. So this means this feature, all the edit features will be available for the administrator role, even if this content is freezed. Okay, so this is that is so this is why this setting has been given, content freezing applied to administrator. Now let me check this one again, so that you can check for activity also. So till now we have checked for the categories, courses. Now coming to activities. So now coming again inside that course, and here from here I can unfreeze. Now I unfreeze this one. Again coming back to this course. Sorry, courses, then manage courses, then here category 2. Okay, now if I come inside this, I'll have to go to view, and again I can unfreeze this content from here. Okay, so now this one is unfreeze. So I can also make that freeze and unfreeze option available for this one. Let's see how it works. I am going to add a assignment test. Okay, so let everything as a default, whatever is coming. So if I come here, I can see edit settings, more, override, filter. Yes, so inside this assignment I can see freeze this content option. Okay, so if I click on this, then if you come back here, this will not be in editable mode, but for admin I have enabled this one also. Let me disable this edit mode for admin also. If I refresh this one and come inside this, oh, admin can allow freezing, yes, no. And if I come inside this and come here, I can still make the change. Why? Okay, I think this will not be this setting will not be working for the admin role, but yes, in general it should be working. Like it was working for the categories and it is also working for the course. It should work for this activity also. Now I can unfreeze this content. Okay, now coming back to this course, I do have some this data link activity. Let me try on this whether I see. Yes, I can also freeze this content. Okay, now data link locator in lower content are not frozen. Now frozen. If I unfreeze this one, I can again add here the fields and view. That means whatever functionality is inside this activity, I can access. Now coming to block, the other thing here. So we have checked for category, courses, activity, and now coming to block. I can add here a block. Let's say calendar in this course. And here I can see the freeze this content option. Okay, so block also can be freeze. Again, if I add comment here, this also can be freezed, and any freezed item can be unfreezed by the administrator at all. Okay, so please try this errand at whether it is a category, whether it is courses level, activity level, or block, it should all working fine. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.